Hello, hi, and motherfucking welcome to this video. This is a Q&A. This is the MT-09. If it sounds a little bit not much bikey, it's because the DB killer is now inserted, and it has to be inserted because I'm doing, well, probably two almost track days, at least one track day and one kind of track day. The next 2 days. So to be able to go on the track, the DB killer has to be installed. But that is not what this video is about. This video is about a Q&A that I asked about a long time ago. I asked if you guys wanted me to do a Q&A, and you've got a lot of questions here which I've written down. I will try to answer them as good as possible, as good as I can, basically. But first, let's just listen to how freaking silent the exhaust is on this bike with the DB killer inserted. I mean, it's still got grunt, but when I start riding, you probably won't hear it at all. This is the first time I'm riding with the DB killer installed, so brace yourselves. Right, it is quiet. Alright. First question. Could you do more motorcycle test rides and reviews in the future? Short answer to that, yes. I want to do more. I should do more. And it's fun to, you know, test ride bikes and stuff like that. I may want to do a little bit more of a professional test ride in the future with a little bit of specs and everything, because it seems like people really like that. So, you know, I'll try to figure out like a formula or something for how I want to do those videos. But yes, definitely there will be more in the future. How much did the MT-09 cost, and how much have you spent on mods? There's actually, I'm going to make another video. I'm going to make another video on that. So, oh, god damn it, use your blinker. God damn it, turn signals are there for a reason. I'm going to make another video on all the mods and how much it has cost. I'm actually making 2 more videos after this one, which is, one of them is the 10,000 kilometer review, and the other one is the mod list, like every mod that I've done to the bike so far. So keep your head on a swivel for those 2 videos. How loud are you here? I mean, you do still make a nice sound. I'll give that to you. I also got a weird question, which isn't really a question. What did it say? It said, good, nice, I like the photo. So I guess thank you. We're gonna have to fill up some petrol over here. Oh, we've got a Husqvarna Nuda. What's up, my dude? Woo! Those Nudas sound amazing. Oh my goodness. YouTube or Instagram? Gosh, that's really tough, man. That's tough. Let's just go with Instagram, because you can communicate with Instagram, like text, speak to people. YouTube, you're really in your own bubble, except for the comment section. But I mean, I like the interaction of Instagram. That's why I have both a YouTube and an Instagram. But I guess that wasn't a part of the question, that I could have both. But I think I would choose Instagram, because you could post videos over there as well. They're not for content creation, maybe Instagram. For if I were to only have Instagram or YouTube to watch photos or YouTube videos, I would probably take YouTube videos, because they are much more fun. Oh. Yes. Petrol. Feels good to fill petrol every now and then. Here's to the year. What was your first motorcycle / moped? My first motorcycle, believe it or not, was actually a A2 restricted motorcycle. So it had 34 horsepower, and it was, of course, the Suzuki GS500 FU. Yeah, so the GS500 FU was my first bike. That is how this channel originally started. And I actually saw it came up for sale just about, well, a few, maybe some weeks ago, a month ago, I don't know. Is a small CC bike good? Short answer to that, hold on. Let us first define what a small CC bike is. Now that I have my A license, my full motorcycle license, I can ride whatever I want. A small CC bike is about 300-400 cc's, I would say. If you're thinking about a 125, they're not that different, to be honest. I would say yes, they're really good. I'm really happy about me starting on a A2 restricted bike, because if I didn't, I probably would be dead by now. So it's a very good bike to learn. It's a very good bike to learn how to properly ride. I just happened to go from that to this, and I could probably, if I had the GS500 longer, I would probably be even better at cornering and stuff like that. But I mean, it's fun with a big bike too. But small CC bikes, short answer, yes. Small CC bikes are absolutely good. I believe that with my whole heart. I kind of want a as a second bike to this, I want an RC390 or something like that, just to use on a track. Are you going on a Euro trip for summer, or at least a West Norwegian or West Norway trip? Not a Euro trip, not this year, but yeah, I actually did a West Norwegian trip. Me, Rookie MC, and Chris Hesselberg went to Bergen, and I filmed part of that process. Met up with some cool people like Bergen Biker, Norwegian Rider. Met up with those guys. Great fun, a very long ride. We went back and forth in 2 days. So we rode around, like, I don't know, 1,300 kilometers in 2 days, which is quite a lot. And my butt is still kind of sore, but you know, you bleed for the motorcycle trip, man, because I'm a real bike. I can ride long, and yeah. So I have done a road trip. I don't think I'll do another one this year, just because of time. I'm going to study soon. I'm going to be studying, oh, come on, you can do it. I'm going to be studying in about a week, so we'll see how it goes. But probably not this year. Hopefully, I want to do a Euro trip. I'll do it next year, maybe. No promises. Next question is torque power or torque power. Wow, it's torque or horsepower. I've got to say, I am a sucker for torque. I would really want torque over horsepower. So that's a simple answer there. What is the most enjoyable starter bike? Gosh, that's also a tough question, because it really depends what you're into. If you're into racing or wheelies and stuff like that, and what kind of CC are you talking about? Hey, what's up? So I don't know. I've only tried the Ninja 400, the Duke 350, and some other bikes. I'm not qualified. I haven't tested enough bikes to I've tested the R3 as well, actually, but I'm definitely not qualified to make that decision or tell you anything about a starter bike. So I'm sorry if that was a disappointing answer, but it's an honest one. What is your all-time favorite motorcycle? Again, depends, but all-time favorite, I would say the MT-09, just because that again, it's a boring answer, but it's the bike that I've enjoyed the most. Of course, I've tested Rookie MC's R1. It's fun, but I don't think I would enjoy owning it, and that's kind of what a bike needs to be for me. It needs to be, if it's gonna be my all-time favorite, it might as well be my all-time favorite to own, I guess. Did you crash? If so, what was your experience? Yes, I crashed. It's almost a year ago now, actually. I crashed on this bike, and my experience, it's never fun to crash, like, duh. I mean, nobody enjoys a crash, but yeah, it just plain up sucks, because it's put a lot of like stops to my life as it is right now. Well, I wouldn't say that, but I've had to put some things on delay, like this season, this very motorcycle season. I've had like maybe 2-3 months that I haven't been able to ride at all, and it just sucks, man. Crashing is never fun. I do have a video explaining everything, like almost shortly after the crash. I think there was a few months in between. I actually made that video, so you can go and watch that if you want. It's not the greatest video I've made, but it's a video if you want to see the crash in action and everything like that. Can I go, please? It's gonna be so awkward answering questions. Oh man, come on. What is your favorite color on a bike? Favorite color? Probably red, white. I'm a real sucker for Chase on Two Wheels' R6. That is one sexy bike. It's the Holly bike. Oh wait, does this mean that I can go? Can I go soon? Soon, bless. I don't want to answer. It feels awkward talking to yourself when there's people here. Can I go? What is your favorite supermotard? Probably the I don't know, I haven't tested a lot of supermotards, but I do really like the oh, can I go? Thank you. I do really like the WR450F. I do indeed enjoy that. I mean, the smart choice is of course a DRZ, because then I don't have to change oil every now and then, but yeah, looks wise, WR450, I guess. That's an answer. Are you going to Epic Meet? This is a while back. If this was pre the Epic Meet, and that's, yeah, no, I did not go, and well, I'm not going because right now it's done. There is no more meet. I mean, it just goes to show how slow I've been putting this video out. That is partially due to my operation and stuff like that, so, or my surgery, I should say. I am actually kind of starting to like the sound level that this bike is putting out without the, or with the dB killer, decibel killer, the noise killer. What? Buy a KTM, maybe, but not now. Not now. Maybe I'll buy a KTM in the future. Who knows? That was a cute tractor. What bike was your first? If you watched the middle of this video, you'll know that was the GS500FU. What is a DMV on Norwegian? Well, I guess the closest thing you'll get to the DMV is Statens Vegvesen. That's just my guess. I think they do just about the same. I'm not really sure if because the DMV is like an American thing, but I think it's roughly the same. We're nearly done, folks. We're nearly done. How come you ain't scared to ride after your accident? Because I'm cool like that. I don't get scared. Now, I don't know. It was quite scary to ride at first. I'll tell you that. But riding is such a big part of my life, and I genuinely really enjoy it. It's just a freedom feeling that I haven't found anywhere else. I'm just really enjoying riding, and I don't think I'm ready to give that up. I guess that's a good enough reason. I don't really need a reason to ride, but why I'm riding, but I guess that is the reason. I'm just really enjoying riding. It's easy as that. Can you try and arrange some we'll pass these cyclists right here. Let's see. Can you arrange some meetups this season? Well, seeing that I haven't been able to ride that much this season, I have not arranged any meets. When I have been riding, I've just been enjoying it, making a video occasionally, but mostly I've just been enjoying it. I think it's too late maybe to... That is all the questions that I got for this round. It was actually, I was kind of surprised. It was kind of a lot that I've got for a Q&A, for being me. I'm not the biggest, I'm not the greatest. Well, I'm definitely not the greatest, and I'm definitely not the biggest, but... Oh, we're back here. Alright. Not the biggest, not the greatest, and definitely one of the most stupid ones out there. Well, that's not true, but I just wanted to be cool, so I tried to say something bad about myself that isn't really true, but made me feel cool, I guess. Alright. God, I've got to end this video. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, and do all your cool shit on bikes.